What's up, everybody? It's Brandon. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Today, we're stepping into the future, a future where your floors clean themselves. Okay, not quite, but we are diving deep into the world of smart mops. We'll be breaking down the top 5 smart mops on the market, hitting you with the good, the bad, and everything in between so you can decide which one is right for you. First up, we've got the iRobot Braava Jet M6. This isn't just any ordinary mop, it's a game changer in the world of smart cleaning devices. This is like the tech-savvy brain surgeon of the smart mop world. Imagine having a device that not only cleans your floors, but does so with the precision and intelligence of a high-tech robot. It uses this really cool precision jet spray to target dirt and grime. The jet spray is designed to break down and lift away stubborn messes that traditional mops might miss. And the smart mapping technology? Dude, it's insane. The Braava Jet M6 doesn't just randomly move around your home, it actually maps out your entire floor plan. It creates a detailed digital map, learning the layout of your rooms over time. This means it knows exactly where to go and where to avoid, ensuring every inch of your floor gets the attention it needs. It learns your floor plan over time and cleans with surgical precision, avoiding furniture and even those no-go zones like your pet's food bowl. This is especially useful if you have a lot of obstacles or delicate items on your floor. The Braava Jet M6 can even clean under furniture and navigate tight spaces that are usually hard to reach. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant that knows your home as well as you do. You can even tell it to clean specific rooms or areas with the app. It's seriously next-level stuff. The app interface is user-friendly and allows you to schedule cleanings, set no-go zones, and even monitor the cleaning progress in real time. Imagine being able to set up a cleaning schedule for the entire week and getting notifications when the job is done. It's like having a cleaning service at your fingertips. Now, all this tech does come at a price. The Braava Jet M6 is definitely an investment, but it's one that pays off in terms of convenience and efficiency. When you compare it to other smart mops on the market, the features and capabilities of the Braava Jet M6 really stand out. It's designed for those who want the best cleaning experience possible. The Braava Jet M6 is definitely an investment, but if you're looking for the best of the best and you're willing to shell out the cash, this one is hard to beat. Users rave about its performance and the time it saves them. Many customers have shared their experiences, highlighting how the Braava Jet M6 has transformed their cleaning routines. From busy professionals to pet owners, everyone seems to love the convenience and efficiency it offers. The design and build quality of the Braava Jet M6 are also top-notch. It's sleek, modern, and built to last. Every component feels premium, from the precision jet spray to the smart mapping sensors. Whether you have hardwood, tile, or even stone floors, the Braava Jet M6 can handle it all. Its versatility makes it a great addition to any home, regardless of the flooring type. Maintenance is also a breeze. The Braava Jet M6 docks and charges itself, and the app will notify you when it's time to replace the cleaning pads or refill the water tank. Replacing the cleaning pads and refilling the water tank is quick and easy, ensuring that your smart mop is always ready for the next cleaning session. In conclusion, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 is a powerhouse of precision cleaning. It's packed with advanced features that make it stand out in the smart mop market. If you're serious about keeping your floors spotless with minimal effort, this is the device for you. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, the Braava Jet M6 is definitely worth considering. It's an investment in a cleaner, more convenient lifestyle. Next up is the Bissell Spinwave, and let me tell you, this thing is all about power. It's got these rotating cleaning pads that spin like crazy, scrubbing away dirt and grime with ease. Plus, it's super easy to use. Just fill it up, turn it on, and let it do its thing. No complicated setup or anything. Now, the battery life on this one isn't the greatest, especially if you're cleaning a larger space. But if you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use smart mop that doesn't break the bank, the Bissell Spinwave is definitely worth checking out. Chapter 3. Alright, let's talk about the Roborock S7 Max 5. This isn't just any ordinary cleaning device, it's a marvel of modern technology. This thing is a beast when it comes to obstacle avoidance. Imagine a device that can seamlessly navigate through your home, dodging every obstacle in its path. It's got this advanced LiDAR navigation system that maps your home in 3 dimensions, creating a detailed layout of your living space. This means it knows exactly where everything is, from your furniture to your pet's favorite resting spot. And it dodges everything from furniture to shoes to, you guessed it, pet accidents. No more worrying about the mess your furry friends might leave behind. And the suction power on this thing is insane. It can pick up even the tiniest particles of dust and dirt, leaving your floors spotless. It's like a vacuum and a mop all in one, combining the best of both worlds. You get the powerful suction of a vacuum and the thorough cleaning of a mop. Sucking up dirt and grime while it mops, it ensures that your floors are not just clean but sparkling. Now, it is a bit on the bulky side, which might be a concern for some. If you've got a lot of tight spaces, it might not be the best fit. However, its size is a testament to its power and capabilities. It can still navigate through smaller areas with ease, thanks to its intelligent design. But if you're looking for a powerful, all-in-one cleaning solution with top-notch obstacle avoidance, the Roborock S6 Max V is definitely worth considering. It's designed to make your life easier, taking care of the cleaning so you don't have to. The Roborock S6 Max V is not just a cleaning device, it's a smart investment for a cleaner, more efficient home. With its advanced technology and powerful performance, it's a game changer in the world of home cleaning. You can even control it with an app, setting up cleaning schedules and customizing its cleaning patterns to suit your needs. It's like having a personal cleaning assistant at your fingertips. And let's not forget about its impressive battery life. It can clean for hours on a single charge and automatically returns to its charging dock when it's done or needs more power. Whether you have carpet, hardwood, or tile, the Roborock S6 Max V can handle it all. Its versatility makes it suitable for any home, regardless of the flooring type. And if you're a fan of smart home technology, you'll love that it can be controlled with voice commands through your favorite smart home assistant. It can even clean under furniture and reach those difficult spots that are often missed by traditional cleaning methods. Maintenance is a breeze too. The Roborock S6 Max V is designed for easy cleaning and upkeep, ensuring it stays in top condition for years to come. So, if you're ready to take your home cleaning to the next level, the Roborock S6 Max V is the way to go. It's more than just a cleaning device, it's a revolution in home maintenance. The obstacle-avoiding beast, the Roborock S6 Max V, is here to transform the way you clean. Don't miss out on this incredible piece of technology. Experience the future of home cleaning with the Roborock S6 Max V. Your home deserves the best, and this is it. Chapter 4. Okay, the Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo T8. This one is all about efficiency. It vacuums and mops at the same time, saving you precious time and effort. And the mopping system is legit. It uses electronically controlled water flow, so you can adjust the moisture level based on your floor type. Now, I have heard some people say the app can be a little glitchy at times, but honestly, that's pretty common with smart home devices. Overall, if you're looking for a time-saving multitasking machine, the Ecovacs Deebot Ozmo T8 is a solid choice. Chapter 5. Last but not least, we've got the iLife ShineBot W400. This one's got a unique feature that I love. Separate clean and dirty water tanks. That means you're always mopping with fresh water, which makes a huge difference in terms of cleanliness. It's like having a brand new mop pad for your entire cleaning session. Now, this one isn't as smart as some of the others on the list. It doesn't have smart home integration or app control. But if you're looking for a straightforward, effective smart mop with the separate water tanks, the iLife ShineBot W400 is a great option. Alright guys, that's it for our top 5 smart mops. We've explored a variety of options, each with its own unique features and benefits. From advanced technology to user-friendly designs, these smart mops are here to make your cleaning routine easier and more efficient. Hopefully, this gave you a better idea of what's out there and which one might be right for you. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest gadget or someone who just wants a hassle-free cleaning solution, there's something for everyone. Remember, whether you're looking for precision cleaning, powerful scrubbing, obstacle avoidance, or a combination of all these features, the right smart mop can make a world of difference in maintaining a spotless home. Or maybe you just want a simple and effective way to keep your floors clean without breaking a sweat. The convenience of smart mops means you can spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your home. There's a smart mop out there for you, no matter your needs or preferences. From hardwood to tile, these mops are designed to handle a variety of floor types with ease, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth reviews and comparisons of the latest tech gadgets. And hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews just like this. We cover a wide range of products from smart home devices to the latest in personal tech, so you won't want to miss out. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which smart mop you think is the best. Your feedback is invaluable and helps us tailor our content to what you find most useful and interesting. See you in the next one. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews and tips to make your life a little bit easier and a lot more fun.